Yo, 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 what's up, people? This your boy P. Ross. Ross Wristwatch Love. We back in the building. About to do that watch gang unboxing. Chilling with the homie Young L. Yo, we're about to get into this, alright? P. Ross in the building. Let's get it. Here you go. The product has just touched down right here. And we're about to go ahead and open him up right now. And again, this was actually the free watch that I got for the unboxing. You know what I mean? From Watch Gang. Shout out to them. Thanks again very much. You know. Alright, here it is. Their monthly flyer. What are they doing? Okay. Okay, then it condensed it down a little bit. You know. Nicholas Copernicus. What's up? Okay, let's see. Anything else in here? Nope. Now, let's get into it. J Bracket. Another J Bracket. Oh, man. Alright. Is it on the strap? Is it on a bracelet? Or is it on a NATO strap? Leather strap, NATO strap, or a bracelet? Let's open him up and see. Oh, wow. Okay. Okay. Okay, J Bracket on a leather strap. All right, we're going to take him out and take a good look at him. Take a good look at him. You know what I mean? I kind of felt it through the package. I kind of felt like it was going to be a J Bracket too. You know what I mean? All right, let's take a good look at this joint right quick. And there it is. There it is, good folks. J Bracket. Yeah. Hold on, let me take my jacket off. It's still kind of cold down here in the nasty natty. You know what I mean? But, all right, let's get into this. All right. Cool. Cool. Wow. This is actually pretty nice. I like this. I like this. Let's slide this little plastic off. All right, J Bracket. Leather strap. All right, let's see what else is in the package. We got a warranty card where you can register the product. Anything up under here? Nope. All right, so let's get into it. All right. Let's see. You got the date at the 3 o'clock. Let's turn him over, see what this say. Japanese quartz movement, 5 ATM water resistance, USA design, all stainless steel. You know, this is actually a pretty good looking watch. I like it. I like it. I like it. I like that bezel too. That bezel hot, for sure. You know what I'm saying? J Bracket in the building. I think this is better than the J Bracket that they sent out before. Although the one they sent out before had something like I don't know what kind of material you call it, but it was a pretty good looking watch. But this one looked like it's the shit right here. So J Bracket, we're gonna go ahead and try him on the wrist right quick. Before we try the J Bracket on the wrist, I'm rocking right now an Invicta speciality. You know what I mean? So let's go ahead and try the J Bracket on right quick. Wrist, not bad. Not bad. J Bracket Verona. Is that what they say? We're gonna look it up online and see what the bang for the buck is. You see the J Bracket on the clasp. You know, it's a pretty nice watch. You know what I'm saying? So that's how it looks on the wrist. Alright, so we're gonna go ahead and look it up online and see what's up with it. Alright, yo, people. Alright, let's get into some specs right quick. The case size of this J Bracket Verona is 43 millimeters with 316L stainless steel. The glass is a mineral crystal with a black leather band, Japanese Miyota quartz movement, 5 ATM of water resistance. According to the website, and the price on the website for this watch is $195. So just looking at it, you definitely get your bang for the buck. I bought a Michael Kors Lexington, similar to this, that I really like. I really think this is the better watch. What I'm gonna actually do is I'm gonna find a stainless steel bracelet to put on this watch. I think it'll look great with that on it. So, you know, it is what it is. Ross Wristwatch Love. We in the building. And we gonna have the homeboy game coming tomorrow. You know, there'll be another upload tomorrow because he get his watch today and he's gonna unbox his. So let's get into it, people. This is Ross Wristwatch Love. Please like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Appreciate it. Peace, and I'm out.